Hi, this is Sherron from the Modern Savvy CPA, starting my new money habit series on small businesses. So the other thing we need to talk about is not paying your bills on time. Suppliers, landlords, utilities, they all want to get paid. You want to make sure that you're paying your bills on time. You want to make sure that you have a record of when the bills are due, and making sure in today's society, it is very easy to do this. You can put everything on an automatic. You can even upload the invoice into your QuickBooks and attach it to that particular payment when you're making that payment. So it's very easy to do that. So you want to make sure that you're not behind the eight ball when it comes to making sure that you're spending paying your bills on time, because it affects your financial health. They say about 55% of companies still handle their accounts payable process manually. That is crazy. There is no reason for you to be to doing any of these accounting functions, any of these bookkeeping functions manually. If you're doing that, you're wasting time, and you need to get into the age of using your time wisely and making sure that, one of the other things that paying these things manually is, one, it's time consuming, and it's so prone to fraud and mistakes. So you might double pay a bill, all these different things. And writing checks today is such a fraud thing. It's my little 16-year-old son got frauded with a check the other day on his account. So it's just something that's been happening. So in today's world, we are not writing checks. We are not paying bills manually. Everything is electronic. You can look at stuff. You have to pay attention, and it'll save you. Having an automatic system saves you significant money, significant amount of time, and time is money. So you want to make sure that you're doing that. You want to make sure that you're streamlining your accounts payable within what you're doing, and you're able to do that. So instead of manually managing your vendors with invoice, and reoccurring expenses, organize everything in an automatic system to submit your invoices and manages your invoice approval process and send payments to your vendors in an automatic system. So again, this is Sherron, the Modern Savvy CPA, and I thank you for listening and watching my show, and stay tuned for bad money habits in a business and how we can avoid them. Thank you.